The platypus is one of the only mammals that lays eggs. But that's not all. It has venomous spurs on its legs that can cause extreme pain. A truly unique creature. When under attack, the sea cucumber ejects its internal organs to distract predators. Don't worry, it regenerates them later. Nature's weirdest defense mechanism. Ever seen a frog with transparent skin? The glass frog's body is so clear you can see its heart beating inside. A fascinating example of nature's creativity. The immortal jellyfish can cheat death by reverting to its juvenile form after reaching adulthood, essentially restarting its life cycle. It's the closest thing to eternal life.